A very good day to our Honorable Sister Principal, teachers and the jury members. I am Humaira Faisal of class 6th A. For today's exciting and thrilling clay modeling competition, I will be trying my best to turn out these beautiful and colorful clays into a masterpiece which will be a lion, or as we commonly know him as the king of the jungle. So now let's begin. I'm first gonna begin with the face of the lion. For that I will be kneading with the yellow clay. I'm going to make a ball of it. So now I have made this circle for the face. You're gonna press it a little bit, just like this. So now you're gonna continue like this only. So now I'm gonna make eyes. For that I will be needing one toothpick, and then I'm gonna take my this face, and then you're gonna do like it. This. Okay. So now I'm done with one eye. I'm gonna put the second eye too. In this I'm gonna insert the black balls for the eye part. This is how it looks like. Now I'm gonna make the nose of the orange color. This is how the nose looks like. So I am now done with the nose, and this is the face of the lion. Now I'm gonna make the body of the lion. So this is the body. I'm now making the body with the orange color, as yellow was not sufficient. So I'm making it with the help of the orange color, the body. So I am done with making of the body. So now I'm gonna keep the body here, and I'm gonna take my face, and then I'm gonna complete it. I'm gonna complete my face first with the I'm going to make some this type of things out of a orange clay, and then I'm gonna stick it right here like this. So I am keep on doing it. Now I am done with the face of the lion. Now it's time for the ears. So for that I will be needing with the yellow small clay, and then I'm gonna press it with my thumb. This is how it looks like, and I will make the second ear like this. So now I'm done with both of the ears. I'm gonna stick it. Now I'm gonna stick it. I have done with sticking of the ears the ears. Now I'm gonna make the white ball, and I'm just sticking it on the top of the ears, just like this. Same with the second one. Here I completed with my face. As I have already made the body, now I am going to stick the body with the paws, with the legs. So here I have this yellow color. I'm just gonna shape it like this, and rest of the 4 legs. And now I will stick it with the body. Now I will make the paws out of the white color. This is the one. I'm gonna make the paws and the help of this will be giving it a little bit this type of shape. And I'm gonna make the rest just like this. Now my 4 paws are done. I'm now gonna stick the legs. Okay, so I'm done with fixing the legs with the body and now I'm gonna fix the paws. So just gonna like this, and just like this I will be sticking with the rest of this with the legs. So I am done with the body. This is how it looks like. Now I am gonna fix the face with the body like this. Like this. So I have made the tail also. I'm gonna flatten it more like this. So this is my tail. I will stick it with the like here. Like this. It will be like this. Now so as I am done with my lion, I'm gonna make some stones out of brown clay on which my lion will gonna sit, and that will I'm like this. Now I will make some small stones like this. Now I'm gonna fix this stone on my sheet of paper like this. Now I will set my lion on this stone like this. I will put some stones around it, which I have already made. I am now done. Now it's time for the grasses. For that I will be treating with a green color clay. That is this. Now I have made these with that clay, with the green clay. I will now fix it here like this. I will show you afterwards. Let me fix it first. It's looking something like this. Now I'm gonna fix the second grass as well on here, and my lion is almost now ready. So now I am done with my making of my lion. I hope you all like it. This is how it's turned out. Thank you so much, and thank you.